Now, dear students, let us move the third examples of linear differential equation. Okay, solve the following initial value problem by using Laplace transform. The example is dou square y d square y upon dt square plus 4 into dy by dt plus 4y is equal to e raised to minus t. The conditions are given. Okay, so the given equation can be written, this can be written as y double dash of t plus 4 into y dash of t plus 4 into y of t is equal to e raised to minus t. Okay, now apply Laplace on the both sides. Laplace transform, not inverse. First you have to apply Laplace transform. Apply Laplace transform on both sides. So Laplace of this one, Laplace of this one, Laplace of this one, Laplace of this one. I have applied Laplace. So now use the condition. Laplace of y double dash of t is the expression. Okay, plus 4 as it is, Laplace of y dash is expression. Plus 4 as it is, Laplace of as it is. Okay, Laplace of e raised to minus t is 1 divided by s plus 1. You know this one. Okay, then after this one, using the conditions. Okay, now see here, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, I have kept 0. Okay, so this becomes 0. So this remains as it is. Okay, remaining terms. So now the remaining terms are s square Laplace of t, or you can go for like this here, Laplace of y of t, Laplace of y of t, Laplace of y of t. S square coefficient here 4s is coefficient, here 4 is remains. Laplace of y of t is equal to remaining term, there is no remaining term, only remaining this term. Okay, then Laplace of this term as it is. Transfer this term to this, to s plus 1 into this term as it is. So 1 divided by s plus 1 and the expansion of this one, or you can write this in the form of a plus b whole square. If you expand, you will get like this. This is repeated linear, s plus 2 the whole square. Okay, then for this further example, like this. So transfer that L of y of t, L to this side, Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1, s plus 2 whole square. Okay, so now you have to find its inverse. Before going for its inverse, you see this example is in the form of partial fraction. So 1 divided by, this is separate linear, this is repeated linear. So 1 divided by this term, you can write like this. So a divided by first linear plus b divided by, there are the two linears here, repeated, same linear, two times they are repeated here. So this, if it is like this, then the partial fraction method can be written as b divided by s plus 2 one time plus c divided by s plus 2 the whole square. Okay, now your aim is to calculate a, b, c. Then later on you can apply the Laplace inverse. So therefore multiplying s plus 1, s plus 2 whole square. This you multiply in the numerator also, in the denominator. Okay, if you multiply in the numerator, that cancelled, it becomes 1. If you multiply here, if you multiply here, if you multiply here, you will get a into s plus 2 whole square. Or you can write here, see here, this is not there here, s plus 1 is there. So s plus 2 whole square, this is not there, multiply this here. Okay, s plus 1 is there, s plus 1 is not, sorry, s plus 2 is there, s plus 1 is not there, multiply here. 1 s plus 2 1 is there, another one you multiplied here. Okay, then see, s plus 2 whole square is there, s plus 1 is not there, multiply here. Okay, so make a balance here. Then later on go for the simplification. Okay, put s, as I told you, s plus 1 is a opposite. Put s is equal to minus 1, you will get a is equal to 1. Put s is equal to minus 2. Okay, you will get c is equal to minus 1. You got a and c. What is the value for b? For that one, put s is equal to 0. You put s is equal to 0. So if you substitute s is equal to 0, see here, this 0, this 0, so 0, 2 square 4, 4a. Okay, then 0, 0, 2, 2b. So it becomes 2b. S is equal to 0, c. Okay, you got the value a and c, substitute a and c. Okay, you got 3, 1 is equal to 3 plus 2b, transfer this minus 2, so 2b. So b is equal to minus 1. You got a, b, c, substitute a, b, c, this in here. Okay, so Laplace inverse, apply Laplace for this one is equal to Laplace inverse for a is nothing but 1, so 1 divided by this, minus Laplace inverse of b is nothing but minus 1, so therefore minus 1. Okay, then last one, c, minus 1 is there, so c is equal to minus 1. So Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 is e raised to minus t, minus as it is. Laplace inverse of this one is e raised to minus 2t. When you go for Laplace inverse, if it is single, then it will, okay, exponential you will get. If it is having a double continuous, so therefore there is a rule called e raised to as into f of s. That Laplace you have to apply. Replacement, shifting property is there. Okay, so replace s plus 2 as s. If you replace, I can write here s as replace as s plus 2. If you are replacing, the exponential generates here e raised to minus 2t, because plus 2 is there, minus 2t. Laplace inverse of 1 divided by replace s plus 2 as s, it became s square. Okay, this term as it is, this term as it is, this term as it is, Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s square is t. So therefore, out of these you can take a common, e raised to minus t as it is. So I have taken minus e raised to 2t common, 1 remains, plus t remains here bracket. So this is, you can solve in this way. Okay, this is the third example I have solved here. Okay, then we'll go for the